Since we have a long way to go, I thought of using this time to not teach but let you know the pronunciations of the places in Kerala. I'm not that good in Malayalam, but still I think I'm better. So yes, to start from, on the top we have Kasaragod. That is the first district in Kerala if you come from Karnataka. That's from where we came. So I came basically on the cycle. So Kasaragod, then comes Kannur. Kannur has an international airport. After Kannur comes Kozhikode. Now Kozhikode is something which is a difficult name to pronounce because it's written as Kozhikode, which is read as Kozhikode. So it's not Kozhikode. ZHI has the pronunciation of Re. I need to remove my mask. It's Re. Re is like Katrina Kaif says Tangari. So that sort of Re comes in. So it's Kozhikode. Or else you have the anglicized name Calicut. And then comes Malappuram. We also did cover Malappuram. Malappuram is simple to read. Then is Palakkad, that is to that side. Palakkad is again readable as it is written. Then comes Thrissur, in where we are right now. Thrissur is again can be read as how it is written, Thrissur. It's not Thrissur, it's Thrissur. The H is missing, but yeah, or the anglicized name Thrissur. So Thrissur. We are actually exiting Thrissur now and we are entering the next district called Ernakulam. Ernakulam is where the famous city of Kochi is. Again, Kochi is pronounceable as it is written, Kochi. And that's my my knowledge of places in Kerala, I mean specifically the districts. After Ernakulam, I have a little doubt what comes next. I think it's Alappuzha on one side and Kottayam on the other. So yes, so that is again Alappuzha is also written in a different way. It's Alapuzha. Again the ZH comes, which is R. It's not Z, it's R. So Alpuza, people call it Alpuza, which it is not. It's Alappuzha, or the anglicized name Alapi. So Alappuzha, Alapi, both are fine. Alpuza is difficult to understand for people. And then Kottayam is pretty much how it is written. Then comes the famous and the beautiful Idukki district. Idukki is also okay, Idukki, readable. And on this side, okay, I am a little bad with this. I think after Kottayam comes Kollam. Kollam is again Kollam, Kollam, not Kollam. Kollam means fine, nice. It's Kollam. As in, Kollam is also the word used to say 1 year or year in Malayalam, Kollam. So it's Kollam. And then comes the capital of Kerala, a 19-letter word district and city called Thiruvananthapuram. It's a lot of people use the anglicized word Trivandrum. So I also prefer that. But the actual name is Thiruvananthapuram. 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 So when the th sound is basically the in Malayalam. So T is not exactly T if it comes in the word. If it's in the beginning, it's still can be, no, it won't be Thiruvananthapuram, it's Thiru, it's TH, that is proper. But if TH comes in between the word, or if T comes in between the word, it goes into the D sound. So it's Thiru, 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 Vananth, Vananda is the again. So it's Thiruvananthapuram, Pural, Thiruvananthapuram. Simple. And before that, we have a few districts which I'm not sure of. One is, I think, Pattanamthitta. Again, a scenic place. I believe the boat race and all, the snake boat race happens over there. Pattanamthitta. And yeah, I am missing a few districts.